about anything that happens. And a few days ago, I got up, my cat's lying on the floor. Thought, oh, she's dead. And then she sort of staggered around and oh, she's not dead. Let's write a poem about it. This is called Cat Seizure. My old cat had another seizure. Her eyes dilated, tail erect. It took her 10 minutes to stagger the food bowl. It was, she says, like a light at the end of a dark tunnel, thick with fat, juicy rats. My cat is a believer. Her Elysian fields are full of flocks of crippled sparrows. She knows that the vet is a very real person, but there is incontrovertible evidence of a higher being in the existence of the calendar. I'm not sure she's sincere. She's lived with me far too long, but we both hedge our bets against spending eternities full of snarling Rottweilers.